This is the service elevator at the Pogue Student Center at Edinboro University in Edinboro, Pennsylvania. This is a new install from the 2000 ThyssenKrupp Oildraulic traditional. Sorry it's so dark down here and that loud buzzing sound. There's the button light. It has 2 speed doors and a side door. Kind of chilly in here because that side door goes to the loading dock, so that's obviously outside. 1. Interior go up. This mainly just goes to kitchens. It's hoping for an actual freight here, but it's just a service. It's newer. Here, one isn't too far of a distance. Different up on the ground. Phone. This is car 36. It says then 1 down there, but that's obviously not right. The basic cab with blue padding, probably original ThyssenKrupp padding from insulation, stainless steel underneath. Here back at ground. I don't think this was installed by Steel. I think this is too new. I think it's ThyssenKrupp Pittsburgh probably, because they don't have an office in Erie. Has a long door timer. Luckily, door close works. So door closing that's gonna get